Welcome to my channel based strong motivation. Today I speak God already gave you everything 2024. Leave behind the treasure in picture. Next your library, and next your the library that you gathered, that talk to you, that instruct defend your ideals, that helps you to become wealthy and powerful and healthy. Library that helps you conquer and poverty. Library that caused you to walk away, and that instruct you, fed your mind and fed your soul. Leave your library. Leave behind is your library, stepping stones the darkness into the light. Your library, so leave your valuable than your clothes. Books, and your coach. And third is your journals, the ideas that you picked up, the notes you took wherever you found an option valuable. Put go back. Repetition, mother of skill. Rate more time. See if you cannot adjust it one time. Let it teach you one more time. Words are inspirational.